Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the MudRunner game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MudRunner game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Then from the settings page, you will see the graphics quality slider. Now you can use the slider to swipe all the way from left to right to use from 3 different presets. This ranges from low, medium, and high. Try using the highest preset first, and then click on the More options, which has 3 dots. From here you can also try enabling all of these at the beginning. Then click on OK, and make sure the simulation quality is also set to the highest. If your resolution is not appropriate, you can click on Change Resolution to choose the appropriate resolution for your device. After choosing the highest available preset for all of the settings, click on OK, and now your highest settings will be applied. You can then continue and play your game and see how your settings feel. If you don't notice any issues, then you can continue using these settings. Otherwise, you can go back into settings, and from the graphics quality preset, you can try reducing a few of these, such as motion blur and the distortion effect. Now, you can try several settings to find the optimal balance of performance and quality within your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the MudRunner game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.